Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame for YouTube Shorts. Creating an engaging frame is crucial for capturing your audience's attention in the fast-paced world of short-form content. A well-designed frame acts as a visual hook, encouraging viewers to stop scrolling and watch your video. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your shorts stand out and perform well on the platform. Let's talk about the ideal dimensions for your shorts frame. YouTube Shorts are designed for vertical viewing, so they utilize a 9:16 aspect ratio. The recommended resolution is 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels tall. This ensures your content looks crisp and professional on all mobile devices. Always keep your key visual elements within this vertical space for maximum impact. Now for some effective design tips. Use clear, legible fonts and high-contrast colors to ensure your text is easily readable on small screens. Remember to keep any crucial information, like text or logos, within the designated safe zone to avoid being cut off by the user interface. Subtly incorporating your branding helps build recognition and maintains a consistent visual identity across your content. Finally, let's discuss tools and best practices. You can use popular graphic design software such as Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or even free online editors to create your frames. Always export your final frame in a high-quality image format like PNG to maintain clarity. Before publishing, test your short on different mobile devices to ensure it looks great and all elements are perfectly visible. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.